Okay, this is stock number 12-127K. This is a 2003 Ford Taurus. It's got the 3-liter twin cam Duratec, or actually quad cam technically, but dual overhead cam, 3-liter Duratec motor. It's the S code motor for the 8th digit. This also has a X code transmission, column shifted AX4N, which has been rebuilt. Not remanufactured, just rebuilt. Had it running for a little while now, about a half hour. No noises, no smoke, no anything. The car itself, ouch. The car itself has 93,586. No check engine light, just an ABS light on, and that's it. So let's see if the transmission is actually good. Brakes are terrible. Come on. So far, so good. No shuddering or anything. Does shift into overdrive. Definitely got some nuts. Yeah, transmission is nice. No bumping, no grinding, no anything bad at all. And the motor doesn't even have a skip to it. Nothing. I like a lot.